As you can see the delicious and beautiful texture of our brownies.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल स्पाइस सेंसेशन। आज हम बना रहे हैं ब्राउनीज। चलिए जी स्टार्ट करते हैं और इंग्रेडिएंट्स आपको बताते हैं।
400 ग्राम शुगर, ये ग्रेनुलेटेड शुगर है। 75 ग्राम कोको पाउडर, हाफ टी स्पून सी सॉल्ट, 120 ग्राम फ्लावर, 3 eggs, 220 grams butter, 1 teaspoon coffee, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 275 gram chocolates. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. We'll cut the butter into small pieces and then melt it. Using milk chocolate that has 35% cocoa in it. We will cut them into small pieces. Chopping the chocolate. You can keep a bit bigger chunks, but we prefer to use small so it can be easily melted. We have lined up the baking tray as well. Our butter is melted. Now we will sift the cocoa powder. Sift it. Now 400 gram sugar. Sift it. बेसिकली शिफ्ट करने का पर्पज़ ये है कि तमाम जो लम्प्स हैं वो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें हमने रोक लिए हैं. 1 teaspoon coffee. Now we'll whisk the ingredients so that they are well incorporated. We will get the good texture of brownie if we whisk the sugar very well. So we will be whisking the sugar vigorously. We will at least whisk for around 1.5 minutes. You can also use the whisker if you want. We are adding 3 eggs, half teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. We will mix all the ingredients. Now it would be easier to mix because we have added the eggs. We are preheating the oven at 175 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now you can see the texture is so beautiful. You can see the texture is very velvety. Now we are adding flour. We will sift the flour. Okay, now we are adding the chocolate. We will be gently folding it with the spatula. Simply हम इसको spatula से fold करेंगे उस वक्त तक जब तक कि जो हमारा फ्लावर है completely वो disappear हो जाए. Okay, now you can see the flour completely disappears, and it's time to start baking our brownies. We will gently pour our mixture in the baking tin. Okay, we'll gently even it. We'll be sprinkling some chocolate. Okay, now we'll be sprinkling some salt. Now we'll be baking it at 175 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes. Let's put the timer on. "40 minutes. 20 seconds remaining. Okay, it's time to take out. Now we will leave it for 1 or 2 minutes so that it can settle. And then we'll take it out. You'll make into small pieces. As you can see, the delicious and beautiful texture of our brownies. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so you can see future notifications. Thank you for watching.